Hello friends, in this video I am showing you the indexing of string. That is, we have the string s equal to Python. Then the string indexing will be started from 0th position. That is, P is s of 0, then s of 1 is y, s of 2 is t, s of 3 is h, s of 4 is o, and s of 5 is n. Here, if we print s of 0, then we will get the result p. This is a character from the string p. But we can't assign any value to s of 0. That is, a string is immutable. S of 0 equal to s. Then we will get the error, type error. So, a string is immutable, but we can print these values, special separate characters from the string using the indexing. S of 0, print s of 1, s of 0, s of 1, s of 2, and so on. So we will get the result p, y, and t. So this is called string indexing. We can take each character from this string using the subscript s of 0, 1, 2. If you are trying to print s of 10, then index error will appear. String index out of range error, that is index error. So we can print the values of the characters from the string 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 5. Thanks for watching this video.